Hi, Des. First and foremost, I want to wish you a very happy and blessed 50th birthday. O, di ba? Golden ka na din. 50 years of life is a beautiful milestone, a journey filled with countless memories, challenges, victories, and lessons. I know life hasn't always been easy for you. It has been a roller coaster ride with ups and downs. But through it all, I want you to always remember one thing. You will never have to face life alone. We are always here by your side every step of the way. No matter how battles life may bring, I truly believe that our family will always overcome them because we stand together, love one another, and most importantly, we are united in prayer. Of course, I have a birthday gift for you, and I actually have something even more special. I'm sure you're going to love both. Here it is. I managed to compose an original song, especially for you, entitled Magkapatid Magpakailanman. Thanks to AI for helping me with the musical score, and of course, for making my voice sound like a professional singer. Oh, di ba? But jokes aside, this song comes straight from my heart. It tells the story of our journey as siblings, how we have loved, supported, stood by, and cared for each other through the different chapters of our lives. So please listen carefully to every word of the song. Each line carries a little piece of our story, our memories, and the love we have shared as brother and sister. And please don't cry, okay? On your 50th birthday, I just want you to know how grateful I am to have you as my sister. No matter how much time passes, no matter where life takes us, and no matter what challenges come our way, we will always be siblings and we will always have each other. Magkapatid tayo kaya ngayon, bukas at magpakailanman. Love you so much, sis. Happy 50th birthday. May God continue to bless you with good health, happiness, peace, and many more beautiful years ahead. Now, enjoy the song and please try not to cry. Enjoy!
Mula pagkabata, ikaw ang aking kasangga, kagapay. Maglaro, mag-away, magbati, sa bawat araw ay sabay. Sa kinder mong pasok, kasama mo ako sa paaralan araw-araw. Sabay tayong umuwi, bawat aral at taway naging makulay. Kahit may tampuhan, mabilis ding nawawala ang galit. Dahil sa ating pagmamahal, kapatawaran ang laging kapalit. Lunesis, ngayong 50 na ang iyong buhay. 50 taong biyaya, 50 taong tagumpay. Sa hirap at ginhawa, kami mananatiling kaagapay. Happy golden birthday, sis. Hanggang dulo'y magkasama tayo habang buhay. Ngayon'y may kanya-kanya ng pamilya, ngunit puso'y nagkakaisa. Sa bawat pagsubok ng buhay, ikaw ay hindi nag-iisa. Alam ko ang iyong hirap, sakripisyo at luha, ngunit kasama ang pamilya, bawat bigat ay kinakaya. Kapit lang sa Diyos, huwag bibitiw sa pananalig. Sa tamang panahon niya, kagalingan ay darating. Ludesis, ngayong 50 na ang iyong buhay. 50 taong biyaya, 50 taong tagumpay. Sa hirap ganitong panahon, kagalingan ay maging katuparan. Ludensis, 50 taon, isang gintong alaala. Sa bawat bukas na darating, pag-asa'y ating hahawakan pa. Andito lang kami sa bawat luha, saya at problema. Happy golden birthday, mahal kong sis Lourdes. Lakas hangga tayo hanggang pagtanda.